Welcome to day one of Python from scratch. If you never coded before, don't worry. This series is made exactly for you. By the end of this video, you will write and run your very first Python program. In this video, we'll first understand what Python is, why it's one of the best languages for beginners, and how Python actually works. And finally, we'll write and run your very first Python program. Chalo, let's start the video. Let's first understand what is Python. Python is a popular programming language known for being simple and readable. It is used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and automation. Big companies like Google and Netflix use Python, which makes it a great language to start your programming journey. Why to learn Python in 2026? Python is beginner friendly and powerful at the same time. You don't need a high tech laptop and you can build real projects faster than many other languages. That's why Python is perfect for students and beginners. How Python works. Python is an interpreted language. That means Python reads your code line by line and executes it. Because of this, Python code looks almost like English, making it easy to read, understand, and debug. Before moving forward, make sure you already have Python installed as well as VS Code installed. If you haven't done the setup yet, pause this video, watch the previous setup video. The link is in the description. Now let's write a first Python program. Open VS Code and create a new folder. Name it as day 1. Select the folder and create a new file and name it as print.py. Let's write a line print hello world. This print function tells Python to directly display something on the screen. When I run this file, Python executes the code and prints the message. Let's run this. Hello world is displayed. Let's break this step by step. Print is a built-in Python function. A function is something that performs a specific task. The job of print is very simple. It displays the output on the screen. This is most important function for beginners because it helps us understand what a program is doing. Let's see few more examples. Let's write a print statement with 10 inside and another print statement with 10 inside quotes. Let's run this. When I write this code, both lines look similar on the screen. Here you can see, but Python understands them very differently. The first 10 without codes is a number, and the second 10 with codes is a text. Let's see another example. Let's write a print statement with an arithmetic operation 10 plus 5, and another print statement with 10 and 5 inside codes. Let me run this. Now, the first line gives 15 because Python is adding both numbers. And the second line gives 105 because both the numbers are considered as text. That's why numbers don't need code and text always needs code. If you understand this, congratulations, you have written your first Python program. Programming is just instructions you have already started. In the next video, we'll learn about variables and data types, which are the building blocks of Python. I hope you all like this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss day 2. See you in the next video.